Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. In my previous video, it was entitled Shim and Shave. Will your razor shave closer? I described how to install a shim, a razor blade shim, on top of your existing blade to get your razor to shave a bit more aggressively. Well, underneath that video, I had the comment from Michael McClelland, and Michael, I think, very succinctly put it, in a brief and clearly expressed manner. Well, he said, Geo, many people have found it difficult to find the angle of safety razors and single edge. I don't know it all, but I've been wet shaving all my life, and my secret is, when I feel the top cap and razor together when I'm shaving, that's the angle for me. I feel like Michael hit the nail right on the head. I've never heard it put exactly that way, but I think he's got it. Where the top cap and the safety bar and the blade all meet, if you were to draw an imaginary line like a flat surface across there, that's your angle. No 30 degrees, no trying to decipher with a protractor what the proper angle is. Let me demonstrate. Take a look. Here's the back of my phone, a nice flat surface. Now you have the safety bar and you have the top cap rounded. If you roll it back, right when it hits that flat spot in between the two, that's your angle right there. That's exactly where you want to be. You don't want to be scraping with the safety bar. You don't want to be riding the rounded portion of the cap. You just want to be right in the middle there where the top cap and the base plate or safety bar come together. Right there. That's your spot. It's done just by feel, no matter where you're at. Neck, chin, cheeks, mustache, whatever it is. You just want to be finding that spot where the top cap, safety bar, and blade meet, and that little flat surface right there, that's going to be your angle. Maybe Michael is hypersensitive, meaning he has a higher sense of feeling or touch than we do, but if you're paying attention to it and you're using your sense of touch and feel, you can find that spot where those three items come together. You can feel it. If you rock your razor back and forth, there's a spot where it stops, and that's a flat portion right there. That's exactly where you want to be. If you can feel that flat spot on your face when you're shaving, that's your angle. Here's the razor. I'm on the safety bar. I'm on the top cap. Roll it down, find that sweet spot right in between there. That's your angle right there. Perfect. That's right where you want to be. You can see where the blade, the top cap, and the safety bar or the base plate, where they all come together. Draw a flat surface across that, and that's exactly where you want to be. Flat, flat skin, flat surface. That will be your perfect angle. That will give you your best shave. Right there. Michael, thank you so much for your most excellent comment regarding achieving the perfect angle when you shave with a safety razor. Just find that sweet spot right there, that little flat surface between the rounded top cap, the blade, and the safety bar or base plate. That's exactly where you want to be, your sweet spot. That should help many beginners and even seasoned veterans just to find that spot where you can achieve a baby smooth shave every time you pick up your razor. Please click that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, then click the bell, then click all. You'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.